What do you think about this place? Here is where real estate investors drop their money. This is the place that is happening right now in Abuja, and this is one place that you should subscribe into. Imagine owning a property at one of the choicest areas in Abuja. Well, you can make that a reality. Welcome to Coral Homes by Life Camp. Coral Homes is a beautiful estate of terraces located just by Life Camp FCT Abuja. Now, Coral Homes comes with a CFO as land title, and what's best about Coral Homes is its payment plan. Yes, you can pay 50% initial deposit and spread your balance for up to 3 months at zero interest. How amazing is that? Coral Homes comprises of 20 units of 4-bedroom terraces with a boys' quarters. All rooms come en suite. Another amazing thing about Coral Homes is the infrastructure that comes with it. Coral Homes will feature a general swimming pool, a central electricity generating plant, estate street lights, green area, smart locks. Each apartment comes with a solar or standby inverter, private car parking, you have accessible roads, perimeter fencing, CCTV cameras, underground electricity wiring, and a whole lot more. Look, if you're not a property owner here, you are missing out on one of Abuja's finest property developments. When buying real estate, you should always consider location. Coral Homes is located in one of Abuja's choicest areas. Some notable landmarks around this estate are the NCC Quarters, the DSA Staff Quarters, the Turkish Hospital, Karmo District Ultra Modern Markets, the Ibem Golf Course Estate, the Idu Train Station, and a whole lot more. Coral Homes comes in semi-finished and fully finished. A semi-finished unit goes for 85 million, while a fully finished unit comprises of two categories. We have the standard fully finished and a luxury fully finished. Now the standard unit goes for 115 million, while the luxury unit goes for 125 million. Now it's important to note that the units do not come with the furniture. Please, they do not come with the furniture, but of course we can furnish it for you, but that's going to be on a separate budget. Now for more inquiries, kindly reach me on the number displayed on the screen, and please subscribe to my channel. Please do subscribe for more real estate deals in Abuja. Like, comment and share this video. My name remains Mary, and I'll see you in the next video.